All right, guys, good morning. I want us to take a deeper look into Venn diagrams today. And there's three important words that I want us to understand before we get to drawing of Venn diagrams. And the first one I want us to look at is complement. What is complement? The complement of set A, first of all, let's have our Venn diagram there. So if we have our Venn diagram, we have our A, and remember, that is a universal set. So complement of set A means, this is how we denote it, and it means everything that is not in A, right? Not in A. So that means I'm talking about everything else that is not in A, okay? Complement, not in A, not in set A, okay? Now let's look at intersection. Again, we're going to take a Venn diagram. Excuse my pens are not writing. Okay, let's take a Venn diagram. There is a Venn diagram right there. And you have your A and your B. Okay? Now, intersection means where both of these two appear. Which region is common to A and B? The region which is common to A and B is that one. That's the region that's common to A and B. And it is denoted as like that, intersection B. And then that will be and. So it means that's where you have A and B. And we can say maybe common. That's the region that is common to A and B. Okay, now let's look at union. In union, you are having your Venn diagram, and then you are having your A, you are having your B, remember? And it is denoted as a U, union, so you won't forget. And then here, it is O, right? So A union B, that means both you have, all regions. A union B would be shade the region of A and shade the region of B. So that means A and B to AOB. So I can be there, I'm correct. I'm there, I'm correct. I'm there, I'm correct. Anywhere in A and B, in the region of A and B, I'm correct. So O, and then there it is A, okay? And then a proper subset. So you have your Venn diagram there, okay? And then you have your A, that's there. And then you have another set inside, which is B, right? So that means B here is denoted as a proper subset of A. Like if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is your universal set, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here in A, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 and 3 are in between 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 2 and 3 are subset of 1, 2, 3, 4 because they are numbers in 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 2 and 3 are subset. So in this case, you've got B is a subset of A. So let's have here A, okay, A intersection B prime. How can we will represent this on a Venn diagram. So listen carefully. I'm going to draw A. So I have my A and B. So I'm shading A. All of A shaded. All of A shaded. And now I'll take a different color pen. Different color pen. I'm going to shade B complement. Remember, B complement was everything not in B. So I'm going to shade everything that is not in B. Everything that is not in B. Everything but not B. Everything but not B. Okay. And now, the final part. I want to take the intersection where you have, remember, you have both lines, both colors appearing. I've got only green there outside, but here, inside this part, so I have that, and it's only in this part that I have both colors, right? So that's how I would represent A. Okay, so that's the final part. And let's have the second one. What if you have A union B prime? A union B prime, you have your Venn diagram, and then you have your A, you have your B. But just as we said, I will shade A, I shade all of A, and now I will shade everything that is not in B. 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 Everything that's not in B. Everything that's not in B. And look at the sign. The sign says all. So now everything that is shaded. So that would be your final answer. Everything that is shaded. So in this case, your final answer would be, you have your A, you have your B. The only place that is not shaded is this one. Otherwise, everything is shaded. Everything is shaded. Because remember, this is all. Or you can say or. So any region, either A or B prime, it is still correct. Okay? Or B complement or B prime, that is still correct. So with these, you should be able to do the exercise that I'm going to give you. Bye for now.